Hi traders, welcome to my channel once again. I am Doji and we'll be trading on volume and price analysis as usual. So what we have here is a high. The market has reached a high, so we'll see what the market is going to do now. And as you can see, the market has reached a high here, so I marked that high. Now the market came down and is at the high again, so we're going to look at what the market is going to do, if the market is going to break the high or if the market is going to range around this level, this high resistance level. So let's wait and see. And before we wait and see, I want to let you know that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you have a question, you can drop your question in the comment section. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Now we can see that the market is slowly going up, so I'm going to go with the market. Yes, I'm going with the market because this is typical of an uptrend. In an uptrend, when the market is at a resistance, and the resistance seems like it's supposed to hold. For instance, we have this resistance level here. Now it's like this resistance level should bring this price down, but somehow along the line the price managed to close as a bullish candle. Although it's a weak bullish candle, what you should expect is a continuation of a trend. This is just like the Doji pattern. I told you about the Doji pattern. Let me show you. I told you about the Doji candlestick pattern. It's just like this. Let me use this color. Okay, the Doji candlestick pattern is something like this, and like this. This is the long leg Doji, but in this case, this Doji is not like that. It's a small candle, but it still serves the same purpose. Okay, so we have something like this. Let me use a marker. Okay, we have something like this. Oh no, we have something like this and something like this. Now if you have this kind of candlestick pattern, a Doji candlestick pattern, and you have an uptrend that is strong, a strong uptrend, if this uptrend is a strong one, just like this uptrend here, and you find this Doji pattern just like you find this here, what you should expect is not a reversal, but what you should expect is a continuation of that price action. Why? Because the Doji pattern signifies indecision. So if there is indecision, that means at this 1 minute after this candle, at this 1 minute, the market is indecisive. If the market at this candle 1 minute is indecisive, then we should go with, if we are going with the general strength of the market, which is uptrend, then we are going to follow the trend. If this trend is a weak trend already and we see this on indecisive candlestick, then we'll go with the general trend, which is weak, and if it's weak, we're going to do a put. So this is why I did that. So you see, this is why I did that. So let's go for our next trade. Oh, okay, missed that. Let's go for our next trade. In our next trade we had, oh, I missed this. So right now we are looking for, I'm going to do a put. Okay, I'm going to do a put option now. Okay, I'm going to do a put option now because the candlestick is going to go down. Even if it's for 1 minute, it's going to close below our entry point. Why? Because of this one here. As you can see, this candlestick is an engulfing candlestick. It has a longer lower shadow than the upper shadow, which means buyers are stronger, and this is why this candle went up. But now we are in a resistance. Why did I say we're in a resistance? Because we can see it made a high, it came back down. You see, it made a high here, it came back up to confirm the high, down, confirmation of the high, and once you've confirmed the high, you are automatically have a resistance. High, retrace, confirmation through this candle, and it went back to that high again, so I did the put. You see this candlestick is an engulfing candlestick, but in this engulfing candlestick, even with an high volume, you cannot go with the call, with the put, because the lower wick here is stronger than the upper wick. That means there are still some buyers here. There are still some buyers here, even if it's an engulfing candle. So we had to wait for market to come to the best entry point, which is the even above the resistance. Well, this may be the full area. This may be the full area of resistance, but it went above, and when it's closed, I entered this put trade. So let's wait for let's look for one more trade. We've done 2 trades already. So let's see what we have here. So now what we have, I think price is going to be ranging around this area here. That's what price is doing. That's what I can see. So price will come up, come down, go up and go down. What's happening here? If you look at the broader sense, you can see that the market started going up here, and at a point, if we're looking at it from the side of the insiders, you can see that at this point the insiders have seen that the market is high enough, so they begin to do what? Distribute their shares. When they distribute their shares, the amateur traders buy at this level. They distribute again, the amateur trader buy at this level. So in this case, if you want to trade with the insiders, you are going to look at this point of resistance to do your trade. So when you see a high volume at this point, you know that high volume represents the activities of the insiders. So when the volume is high, if this candlestick close with a high volume at this point, all you have to do is to wait for the market to make a move, and then you do, okay, it's breaking it, so wait, okay, it has broken it already. Okay, so now since the insiders have seen that there are enough of sellers here, enough buyers here, they might not sell at once. They will want to wait to see the reaction of the next set of buyers. If the next set of buyers is not very strong, then they will sell at a higher price. At least previously they sold here, and at this point it was 1.8773. Now they will sell at a higher price, 1.8783. This is how they carry out their trade. So we'll see what was going to happen here. Let's wait and see. You see the buyers are not strong enough, as you can see, very weak, you see, very weak. So this is buyers volume, very weak. So this volume here, you may think this is a red candle, so this is the sellers. No, this volume here represents the activities in the market, and buyers in the market are not very strong. So if buyers are not very strong, what we'll be looking for now is a put option. So we'll wait for, we can do our put option now, or we can wait for sellers to come in with a strong volume, just with a strong volume, and we'll be good to go. As you can see, you see buyers again, market is coming to this place, but you can see the reactions. Buyers are not strong, they are not strong enough. So let's just wait for this candle to close to confirm that. Now we've seen that buyers are not strong with this candlestick. Now this is a confirmation that buyers are not strong. Now when this confirmation happens, what do you think will happen? The rest participants in the market will switch into sellers, and okay, now I think from this line buyers are coming in, but still not able to change the market, the candle, to a red candle. Excuse me. Okay, now I can see buyers are weak, so I'll go with sellers again one more time. For this one candle, sellers will be taking the market down. Now buyers are weak here. Buyers try to enter again. You see, buyers are strong here, because as you can see, this wick here is stronger than this wick. This body is weaker than this body. Now buyers are strong, but as you can see, the volume is saying nothing about the strength of the buyers. Moreover, we are at this area. This area is a resist in the general trend. You can see in this general trend we are at a supply zone. This place doesn't belong to sellers, it belongs to buyers. So we have that as an advantage to our trade, that the market is going to close below our entry point. So let's wait for the next 5 minutes to see. You'll see that at the last seconds it will jump down to, okay, now this is what we have. So traders, If you want to learn more about trading, if you are serious about trading, you can get my ebook. The link will be at the description of this video and my other previous videos. If you do like this video, please once again leave a like, leave a comment in the comments section, and if you have a question for me, let me know. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and until next time, take care and bye bye.